This is Kiefer Ravenna of 3J, class number 32, and this is my final project for the first term. One team, one nation, one goal. Team Pilipinas. And here are the players. Asita Olava, Kirby Raimundo, James Yap, Willie Miller, JJ Helterbrand, Gabe Norwood, Japet Aguilar, Cyrus Baguio, Sonny Tos, Mick Pinisi, Jared Dillinger, and Arwin Santos. Asita Olava, a former PBA MVP, and the team's captain. Kirby Raimundo is the co-captain of the team. James Yap, a former PBA MVP, Willie Miller, a former PBA MVP twice, JJ Halterbrand, the reigning PBA MVP, Gabe Norwood, a former number 1 overall draft pick, Japet Aguilar, a Division 1 US NCAA player who is also a product of the Ateneo, Cyrus Baguio, a former slam dunk champion, Sonny Tos, one of the top centers in the PBA, Mick Pinisi, a previous member of the RP team, Jared Dillinger, one of the top rookies of the PBA, Arvin Santos, a former UAAP MVP. And here are the pictures of some of our players. The Siaba Championships is the first step for our Powerade Team Pilipinas in being part of the World Basketball Championship next year. In this tournament, we dominated our neighboring countries. We won this year's Siaba Championship. And here is a short clip of their journey through Siaba. Yun, sinasabi. The real quest. The FIBA Asia Championships is a proving ground for basketball glory. Teams from China, Japan, and teams from the Middle East are just some of the teams who will fight for one goal, to make it to the World Championships and go to the 2012 London Olympics. Unfortunately, the team did not qualify for the World Basketball Championships next year. We lost to Jordan during the quarterfinals of the said tournament. Even though we did not make it, I'm proud of our Team Pilipinas for representing and giving their best for the sake of our country. I'm also proud to say that I am a Filipino. Sources: www.youtube.com for the video, www.yahoo.com for the pictures of the players, www.imageshack.com for the picture of the last slide.